In this example, I'm going to create a non-media schedule. Non-media schedules are used for running objects that do not require backup data to be written to removable media. For examples, reports, scripts, archive scanning jobs, repository consolidation jobs, and the file store enforcer. We start from the management console, and if we expand out the control node and choose Schedule Manager, and then in the right hand pane either double click on Schedule Manager or right click and open. The control node Schedule Manager will appear. We want to create a new schedule, so we click on the Create icon on the ribbon. We are offered the choice of either using a template schedule to define a new schedule, or to take an existing schedule that has already been defined as the basis of our new schedule. I'm going to use the template schedule. Within the template schedules, I can choose an appropriate template to use. I'm going to work through to Other and None. I'm going to start creating my schedule from scratch. Click OK. The Schedule Manager window appears. The first thing I'm going to do is provide an appropriate name. In this example, I'm going to create a schedule that is going to be used for running daily reports. So I'm going to call this schedule Reports Daily. The next thing I need to do is to provide a suitable comment. And in this comment, I'm going to say what time I'm going to be running it. This schedule will run at 9 a.m. Oops. Okay, now we need to create a recurrence. So again, we need to rename the recurrence, and preferably with a name relating to its function. So I'm going to create a new recurrence, and I'm going to call this recurrence Daily. I'm going to use the daily frequency, and I'm going to choose a scope of full. It doesn't really matter for reports, but I will keep it at. I've also got autosave enabled. This means that it will be scheduled to run. I now need to choose what days that I want the daily recurrence to run. So I'm going to click on Next. Because I've chosen a daily recurrence, I get a choice of days, and I can also run the job, or the schedule can run at different times of the day, at multiple times during the day. So first of all, I will edit the days that I want it to run. And I want this schedule to run every day of the week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Those days are now displayed on the wizard. And I want to run this schedule once a day at 9 a.m. So I'm going to go to Edit Start Times and adjust my clock to 9 a.m. and do an add. Job done. Click OK. So I can now see that I'm going to run this schedule every day at 9 a.m. So I can finish now. So now on our Schedule Manager wizard page, we can see that we have got one recurrence called Daily, and the indicative calendar below shows little d's on every day of the week, indicating that this schedule runs every day of the week. All we have to do now is to click OK, and our new schedule is created. Note that this Reports Daily schedule has got a green background, indicating that it is enabled. And Further across, we see that we have an F on the daily column indicating that we are running a full backup on the every day, indicating that we are running a full backup when we run a daily recurrence. Notice we do not have a tick in the media column. This schedule does not use media.